In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to properly delete the NVIDIA shader cache to fix game stutters and performance issues in 2026. A lot of people update drivers, but never clear the old cache files, and those outdated shaders can easily cause FPS drops, micro stutters, and inconsistent gameplay. I'll walk you through the correct way to remove every NVIDIA cache location and rebuild clean shaders for better performance. So watch till the end, hit like and subscribe, and let's fix those stutters. So guys, first we're going to temporarily stop NVIDIA from generating new shader cache files. Because before clearing the old cache, we need to make sure the driver isn't recreating them in the background. First, press the Windows key, type NVIDIA app, and open it from the search results. Once the application opens, go to the graphics section, where the global driver settings are located. Now scroll through the list until you find the option called Shader Cache Size. Click on it and change the value to disabled. Then press apply so the driver saves the change. Think of it like cleaning a room while someone is still throwing things back inside. If you don't stop that first, the room never truly becomes clean. Disabling the shader cache temporarily ensures that when we delete the old NVIDIA cache files in the next steps, the driver won't immediately recreate them and cause the same stuttering issues again. Now guys, in this step, we're going to clear the main NVIDIA driver shader cache, because this is where the driver stores compiled shader data for different games. Over time, these files can become outdated, fragmented, or even partially corrupted, and that's one of the most common reasons for random stutters and inconsistent performance in games. First, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Inside the box, type %programdata \NVIDIA Corporation and press Enter. This will open a system folder where NVIDIA keeps global driver files. Once the folder opens, find the folder named NV_cache and open it. Inside, press Ctrl+A to select all the files. Then press Delete on your keyboard. If Windows asks for administrator permission, simply allow it so the files can be removed. Here's an easy way to understand it. Imagine your GPU keeps notes about how to render graphics for each game, so it can load things faster next time. But if those notes become messy or outdated, the GPU keeps referring to the wrong information, and you start seeing stutters or slow loading effects. Now guys, if you're facing lag, ping spikes, or unstable connections in your online games, the GearUp Booster is the perfect tool to fix those issues. Here's how to use it. To get started with GearUp Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GearUp Booster interface. The first step is to log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost: Roblox, Fortnite, or any game. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab, where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one, or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GearUp Booster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS. Alright guys, in this step we're going to clear another NVIDIA shader cache location, because the driver doesn't store everything in just one place. NVIDIA also keeps additional shader data inside the localappdata folder, and over time these files can become outdated, especially after driver updates or major game patches. First, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %localappdata \NVIDIA and press Enter. This will open the NVIDIA folder where Windows stores user-level driver cache files. Once the folder opens, find the folder called DXCache and open it. Inside, press Ctrl+A to select everything, then press Delete to remove all the files. After that, go back to the NVIDIA folder and open the GL cache folder. Again, select all files and delete them. Imagine your GPU keeps small shortcut files for rendering graphics faster in games using DirectX or OpenGL. Over time, those shortcuts can become outdated or mismatched after driver updates, which causes the GPU to stumble while loading effects. Clearing these folders removes the old shortcuts so the driver can build fresh shader data the next time you start your games, which often helps reduce stutter and performance issues. Now guys, in this step, we're going to clear Windows' own DirectX shader cache, because it also stores compiled graphics data used by games and drivers. Over time, especially after NVIDIA driver updates or major game patches, these cache shader files can become outdated and start causing stutters, slow loading textures, or inconsistent frame pacing. First, press the Windows key, type Disk Cleanup, and open it from the search results. When the Disk Cleanup window appears, select your system drive, which is usually drive C, and click OK so Windows can scan the disk. After the scan completes, look through the list and check the box labeled DirectX Shader Cache. Once it's selected, click OK, then choose Delete Files to remove the old shader cache data. Think of it like a game keeping old graphics instructions written for a previous driver version. When new drivers or game updates arrive, those instructions no longer match the new rendering pipeline. Clearing the DirectX shader cache removes those outdated instructions, so Windows and your GPU can rebuild clean shader data, which often helps eliminate stutters and improves overall game performance. Now guys, in this step, we're going to enable the NVIDIA shader cache again, because after clearing all the old cache files, we want the driver to start building fresh shader data for your games. This helps the GPU load graphics assets faster and prevents the stuttering issues that happen when outdated cache files remain on the system. First, press the Windows key, type NVIDIA app, and open it from the search results. Once the application opens, go to the graphics section where the global GPU settings are located. Now, scroll through the settings until you find shader cache size. Click on it and change the value to unlimited. Then click Apply so the driver saves the change. Think of it like clearing an old notebook full of messy instructions and then starting a brand new notebook for your GPU. By enabling the shader cache again, the NVIDIA driver will rebuild clean shader files the next time you launch your games, which usually results in smoother loading, fewer stutters, and more consistent performance. That's how you properly clear the NVIDIA shader cache to fix stutters and improve game performance. If this guide helped you get smoother gameplay, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next optimization video.